Okay, dear students, welcome to this chemistry teacher class. As you know that we have started our chapter 5, that is basically about the classification of elements. Okay, dear student, here the word elements, it is not new word for you. From 9th class we are going to study the atom is the smallest unit of any matter, and in which the element is the purest form of atom, that form element. So can you tell me how many elements are there at present till date? How many elements discovered?
180.
180. Okay, when you know total 118 elements is there in our surrounding. Now next question raised in your mind, that is how we can classify these elements. So different scientists has contributed differently. So in which first scientist, that was Dauvergne. In his Dauvergne tried, he classified the element on the basis of atomic mass. Then second, it was Newland. Okay. Third, it was yesterday's video related to Mendeleev's periodic law or periodic table. Okay, but dear student, these all three scientists were somewhere failed to give us the like a proper type of classification. They were somewhere having some limitations. They were not able to classify all the elements that were present at that time. So now today I am going to tell you about that periodic table, that is called modern periodic table. Rest information I have already shared in my video. The modern periodic table is somewhere, it is the periodic table that is on the basis of atomic number. On the basis of atomic number. Clear? Why this classification was failed? Because it was on the basis of, these all classification was on the basis of atomic mass. So their base of classification was atomic mass, whereas modern periodic table, it is on the basis of atomic number. This much information you have already got, and I already taught you with the help of my videos. Now today I am going to tell you how modern periodic table can be, okay, how can we make modern periodic table. So in this particular class I am going to tell you how modern periodic table can be framed. So you said there are total 118 elements. Now my question is that how these 118 elements has classified. Okay, so can you tell me the name of scientist who has contributed to draw modern periodic table? Yes, anyone?
Mendeleev's periodic table.
No, Mendeleev periodic table was before this, but there was some limitation. What was the limitation of Mendeleev periodic table? Limitation mean कुछ कमियां थी. What was the limitation in Mendeleev periodic table? Yes, beta. First limitation was that table was on the basis of atomic mass. Because of that, he kept somewhere more than 2 elements in same slot. Second, there was no space for no classification of isotopes. Third, there were some elements which was not in proper sequence. If you watched yesterday's video, so maybe you came to know what are the limitations. Now those limitations, by keeping those limitations, modern periodic table is the next table, which is contributed by 2 scientists. That is, first is Moseley, Henry Moseley, Mosley, Moseley. Second is Neil Bohr, and whose name you have heard already? Neil Bohr. What is the name of Neil Bohr? Where? Where you heard?
In class 9.
Yes, in class 9. When? In which chapter?
Atomic mass and
of electron according to differential.
Chapter number 4.
Where we discussed that in atomic electron distribution, like according to Bohr, there is 2 electron in K, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electron
Eight.
in L.
In L shell.
That will be 8,
M.
8, na? Then after that, after 8, there will be 18. It means that he has given us one magic number 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 30. Again, I am telling you this. This is very important because this magic number that in K shell or maximum 2 electron can accommodate. Then L shell 2 times 8, 8. Then N shell there are 18, 18. N shell there will be 32, 32 electron can accommodate. Electron means how many total electrons? If 118 elements are there, between then 118 electron will be there in that element, which is whose number is 118. Okay. Like example, I am going to giving you what is the atomic number of sodium?
11.
11. If atomic number of sodium is 11, so it means that there are 11 electrons in sodium. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
For example, if I take example of any electron, like let it be example of X. That the X is any element. If X atomic number is 100, so it is giving us clear-cut idea how many electrons will be there in X.
100.
There will be 100 electrons. Now distribute those 100 electrons according to this. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus
18. 18.
Count total 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 18, 36, 36 plus 18, 54, like this way, plus 32, 54 plus 32, yes, 50 plus 32, 6, 8, plus 14, so it will be plus 14. So this is the distribution of that particular atom, okay? This is the distribution of that particular atom. So this was the contribution of Bohr. बोहर के हिसाब से जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन इस किसी एटम में प्रेजेंट होंगे वो सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन हम इस वे से फील करेंगे, पहले 2, then 8, 8, then 18, 18, then 32, then 32. Got my point? This is that information which.
Yes.
Now, dear student, when we are talking about modern periodic table, so two things that is very clear in our mind. Modern periodic table. The word is table. Yes. What do you know about the table? क्या पता है आपको टेबल के बारे में?
Which have columns and rows.
Which have column
and as well as rows.
And rows. Which have column and rows, है ना? General. I am making general table here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Again, so how many column is here in this table? This is
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many column is there? 9.
9.
How many rows is there?
3.
3 rows. So this is the information of simple table, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Periodic table have some number of column and number of rows. So there are 18 column. How many?
And 7 rows.
18 columns.
18 columns and 7.
7 rows. 18 column and 7.
7.
The 18 column is called. 18 column is known as
Groups.
What we call the name of column?
Groups.
Groups. And the name of rows?
Periods.
Periods. The name of row is periods. Okay. The name of row is periods.
Period.
Periods. So there are 18 groups, 7 periods. Now, dear student, when this question will come in exam, you have
Yes, sir.
answer sheets have some lines, right?
Yes, sir.
So these lines you will take as a row. These lines you will take as a row.
Row.
Select 7 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me make one sample for you. One sample. Okay, so how many rows I said? How many rows are there in periodic table?
7.
7.
Let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it okay or little better? 6, 7. Okay. Clear? So how many rows I made? 7. This we need to. Okay. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means that from that answer sheet or from your notebook, you need to select 7 lines. Then how many column?
18.
8 column, है ना? 18 column. So first 1, 1. Now how to draw 18 column, dear student? First you draw 1, 2 column in the front, 2 column in the front. Then you will come to the last. From last you will draw how many column? 6 column. How many column? 6 column. 2 and 6 how many? 2 and 6. Total?
18.
First you will make 6 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 8. Now how many left? 10.
8 more left. 8.
How 8? 2 plus 6 total 8. Now how many left for 18?
10.
10 left.
10.
You made 8. So how many left? You made 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Now how many left? 10. Then it will become 18 or not?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
here you need to take care. You need to rub first 2 lines now. With eraser you will make first 2 lines you will rub. Okay, first 2 lines. Okay, is it okay? First 3 lines, not first 2, first 3 lines. How many lines you will rub? First 3 lines. After 4, you will make those lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So 2 in first row, there is first 2, 2, 6, 6. Then now see. Now this one here also first line you will remove 1 from here. I will tell you why I am removing, okay? And 5 from here. Like this. Like this you will rub. Now you can see, is there any shape is coming or not of table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That normal table with you,
Yes, sir.
it is different than some normal table. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here you can say there is no line. So this is difference from normal line. So first we did what? 7 rows we selected. where 7 rows or 7 lines, then 2 column be made, equal column, then last 6 column be made, then in between which is 10, then from first, second, third we have not drawn those 10, we rub that, you can rub with the eraser when you are making pencil. From 4, 5, 6, 7 you made the 10 line. So it means that 18 become 18. See now, count again 18. 1. Now Roman, you know Roman, how to write in Roman? How to write in Roman, you know?
Yes, sir.
1, this is 2, then this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is called Roman, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So total how many column is there? 2. These two are little different. I am making it with a different color chalk, pink chalk. Is it visible now with pink chalk?
Yes.
Rest I am making with yellow chalk. Is it visible with yellow chalk?
Yes, sir.
Rest this I will make with the
Yes.
green chalk. Pink already poured. Blue mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Who is this? Now, students, now the same model periodic table I divided into how many group? How many block? 1, 2, 3, and one more is there that I am going to make with the white color. That is one more. There are 2 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14. And what are these? These are what? These are fourth block. That is not the part of separate. This is not separate. This will be part of same. But you need to understand this block is inside this. मतलब इसके अंदर है ये ऐसे. It is like this. But it is very difficult to show here. Small lines. Yeah. इसके अंदर है ये 2 लाइनें जो है ना इसके अंदर है. एक इसके 6 के आगे है. One is 7th. These are lengthenide and actinide series. Now lengthenide actinide series is name of element. Okay, so this is first block. This is first block. Name of this block is S block. What is the name of this block?
S block.
S block. This is S block. The name of this block is What is the name of this block? Because it was already I have shown in my video. English P block. In English word you have heard P block. P block. Okay. This is all this from here to here. 3 to 12. D block.
D block.
The D block. And this separate block is F block. F block. Now, maybe some of the students they are getting confused. Yeah, from where this in chemistry S, P, D, F came. Very simple. S block is S याद रखना है. अब आपको मैं नई चीजें बता रहा हूं. S, P, D, F. It means that which group we have written? How many groups are there? Total how many groups are there? Yes.
12.
Total how many groups are there?
18.
18 groups. These 18 groups made by, it made from S, P, D, F. S, P, D and F. In which total how many column is there in S? How many columns?
2.
2. Okay, class 2. Total how many columns is there in P? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 6 column is there in P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many column is there in D? Column or Roman? Column.
10.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
Okay. And total how many column is there in F? Down. Here.
14.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
14.
So dear student, you got one more new number. One number is the boards as given 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. Am I right? That is number of electron distributed. Second number you got from SPD. It means that under S there are two block, two orbital word we can use. 2 orbital, P 6 orbital, D 10 orbital, F 14 orbital. Now this combination of SPDF and KLMN, combination of SPDF and KLMN also. Now question, I was expecting some student will ask questions, sir, why there is no line, why there is no column, why these are empty. This is according to Bohr. See, according to Bohr, how many electrons will be there in K? How many electrons?
8.
Huh?
2.
2.
Or and in K shell maximum 2 electron can be filled. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these 2 electron, that's why there is only how many blocks here? 1 hydrogen, 1 helium. How many element is there in front of 1? The total element is in front of 1. You know, 1, 2. In front of this, how many? Only 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Second, L.
8.
8 and
8.
2 times 8. According to Bohr. L can accommodate 2 times 8 and 8. Now you see, is there 8 and 8 in 2 and 3? Because 2 times 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 2 times.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 8, 2 times. Okay. That's why we have removed those lines, because we don't want more than 2. We don't want more than 8 and 8. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now you know very well 1 to 20 atomic number. आपको atomic name पता है 1 to 20. First is hydrogen, second is helium, third is what?
Lithium.
Fourth,
Beryllium.
Fifth,
Boron.
Fourth, sixth,
Carbon.
Then
Nitrogen.
Then
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Then
Fluorine.
Fluorine.
fluorine, very good. Then
Neon.
Neon.
neon. Like this. Now you know how to fill atom.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is there next?
Sodium.
Sodium. Magnesium.
Then
Aluminium.
aluminum, very good.
Silicon. Phosphorus.
Silicon, then
Phosphorus.
yes, then
Sulfur.
sulfur,
Chlorine. Argon.
yes,
Argon.
fluorine, argon.
Argon.
Potassium.
You can fill.
And calcium. Calcium. Then
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Now here I said L88. Now N. How many?
18.
18. Now, see these two, fourth and fifth number, row or periods. These are called periods. 1 to 7 periods, because 7 periods are there. These fourth and fifth period, how many elements can accommodate? 1, 2, 3,
18.
4, 5, 6,
18.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right? 18. Yes, it is 18. It is also 18. Now n have similarly 2 times
32.
32, 32. Now see accordingly 32, 32 elements are there or not? 1, 2.
So there are
Yes, sir.
There are how many?
32.
How? There are 1, 2,
18 are there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
18.
17, 18. How many are there?
18 only.
18 and 18. But beta, you need to count these
Sir,
14.
F block.
These
Yes, sir.
are inside this special place. This is under third group in front of 6 period. So these 14 we need to count. So total 18 plus 40. Do some total.
32.
32.
Similar way here also 18 plus 14, 32.
32.
This is how periodic table has framed. कैसे बनाया हुआ है. Hope so you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Now next 2 minutes I am going to give you very important information about this periodic table. This is to how periodic table can make, like you know. Now everybody will practice in plain page or in the same way, and you will send it to me. This is your homework. Second, most important information. First information is that although 7 period, this is only incomplete because some of the element has not discovered still. इसको अभी incomplete ले रहे हैं. This is not complete, not 32. Rest all periods are complete. Number 1. Number 2. There are some special name given to special family. Now you people have like Thakur family, Sharma family, Kumar family, Rana family, Burma family. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now if you divide according to family, like Sharma will 1 line, Kumar will 2nd line, yeah, Rana third line. Similar way here also there is a different line have different family. Suppose you can see here I have made this with yellow chalk, if it is visible to you. These with pink chalk. It means that somewhere these are member of same family. Now because I am your teacher, I know all the elements of this group, but you are studying it first time. Maybe it is somewhere difficult to you to write all the name. But you can, I am going to tell you one trick. That trick will help you to guess that how can we write the name. So first trick is this family name. This family name is alkali metal. The family name is alkali metal. Alkali metal. Okay, I have written like this way. Alkali metal. This family name is alkaline earth metal. Okay, the family 1. First group is called alkali metal. Group number 2 is called alkaline earth metal. These are called transition metal. What is the name of these all metals? These all metals which are whatever will be there. के अंदर जो भी मेटल होंगे डी ब्लॉक के उनका नाम क्या होगा? Transition. अब now F block inner transition. What do you mean by inner?
Inside.
Inside what?
Inside.
Inside which it is? किसके अंदर है ये?
That's
नहीं है ये किसके अंदर?
Transition metal.
Yes, it is inside transition metal. Because of that, the name of this block is called inner transition metal. It is F block. Now what left? P block. The P block is called. P blocks are called representative elements. representatives, elements, representative elements. Now, have you heard about metal and non-metals?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes.
periodic table, modern mean आज के time का periodic table, it has given us idea about metal, non-metal also. See, basically this S block and D block and F block. S block, D block, F block. These three blocks, whatever element is there, whatever elements are there except hydrogen. All elements which is present in S block, D block, F block are metal. क्या है वो? Metal. All elements S, P, D are metals except hydrogen. And in P block, this there are metals also, non-metals also, and metalloid also. It means that which block is most versatile? सबसे ज्यादा variety वाला कौन सा block है?
P block.
P block.
P block.
Dear student, this picture is given in your book also, in chapter 5 book, which is given color book. It is color picture. You can see colored it is. Some blocks are colored. So that color will represent the nature of metal, non-metal or metal. Okay? So this is all about.
One more term is there, metalloids. What is metalloids?
Metalloid is those elements which have character of metal as well as non-metal. Metalloid are those elements which behave like metal and non-metal, which have property of metal and non-metal. So now less than 1 minute left. Hope so this video, this